Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about how to make a business organization sustainable. It is a very vast topic, but I will try to define it in a shortest way. So, to make a business organization sustainable, you will have to do two things. First, you will have to define a fixed source of recurring revenue and you will have to execute it so that your organization can keep earning recurring revenue at every certain time interval. That can be monthly or quarterly. If you are part of an organization that is earning $1 million after completing a project, but the organization is not sure when it is going to earn the next $1 million, then your organization is not sustainable. To be called a sustainable organization, the business organization must be earning a fixed amount of revenue every fixed time interval. That can be monthly or quarterly, depending on your business need. Second, you will have to keep two sets of people satisfied within your organization. The first one is customer and the second one is employees. If you are keeping these two sets of people satisfied, then even in adverse situation, these people will never run out of your life and they will be standing by you. If you explain them the adverse situation and your plan to come out of that, then these people, customers and your employees, will be always standing by you. It is true that some of the job hopper employees and some of the short-sighted customers may run out of your organization, but good customers and good employees will be always with you. And good employees and good customers are like stem cells. Even if you have just one of them, you will be in a position to replicate the entire workforce or entire customer base. So these two things should be done to keep your organization sustainable even in adverse situation. Hope this video is informative for you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.